Κυρίες και κύριοι, kalispera. Today we have a mixed salad with a bunch of ingredients which I found in my fridge. I found 3 different kinds of lettuce, cherry tomatoes, a cucumber, green peppers, some chopped olives, and so much more that I decided to make a very big mixed salad. Let's start chopping up the lettuce first, which is iceberg, romaine, and green leaf. I got a bunch of leaves from each lettuce. I washed them, towel dried them, and now starting to chop them all up. Let's begin with the cucumber. It is a big cucumber, so we're not going to use the whole thing. We're going to use a bit more than half. Cut it in half lengthwise and then start chopping it up into pieces. As soon as you're done chopping up the cucumber into pieces, take all those pieces and toss them in the bowl. Now, let's grab the carrot. I've already peeled it, so let's start grating it. As soon as you're done grating the carrot, toss it in that big salad bowl. Next, let's grab that green pepper and start cutting it into rodelas. As soon as we're finished cutting it into rodelas, let's get rid of the white stuff. I think it's called placenta. Not really sure, but whatever, we don't need it, so let's get rid of it. Cut the rodelas into 4s and then toss them in the salad bowl. Let's grab the red pepper now. Let's start chopping up that red pepper into slices. As soon as we're done chopping up that red pepper, I have some red, juicy cherry tomatoes. Grab each cherry tomato and slice them in half. As soon as you're done slicing those cherry tomatoes, toss them in that salad bowl. Now, let's grab the fresh onion. We want the whole fresh onion, top to bottom, so start chopping up from beginning to end. Now that we're done with the fresh onions, I've got already chopped up some Kalamata olives. We'll just add them to the salad, along with some sweet corn that I have. It's gonna give the salad a very nice sweet taste. Time for the del. We'll need less than a handful. I have some Parmesan cheese, which is gonna go great with the salad. Time for the salad dressing. I always use one of these little mayonnaise jars as a shaker. You're going to need extra virgin olive oil, grape vinegar, a couple of pinches of rigani, and a couple of pinches of salt. Put the lid on it and shake well. As soon as we're done shaking that salad dressing well, let's add it to the salad. Now, give it a very nice toss. And there you have it, a mixed salad. In other words, whatever I found in my fridge. And never forget, και καλή σας όρεξη.